I strive every day to fulfill my dreams,
to accomplish my goals,
to make a difference,
to be the best.
It's a journey of possibilities.
It's an exciting expectation of discovery.
It's the path that I've chosen
that will lead me towards a bright future,
enabling me to start a revolution.
This is the place where all begins.
द सेज एक संत का नाम के साथ हमने हमारा ग्रुप एस्टेब्लिश करा है, संजीव ओराल ग्रुप ऑफ इंटरप्राइजेज, जिसके 4 आयाम हैं: एजुकेशन, रियल एस्टेट, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और कम्युनिकेशन। एजुकेशन सेक्टर को इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए इन द लास्ट ईयर 2017 में हमने एक यूनिवर्सिटी एस्टेब्लिश करी, दैट नेम इज सेज यूनिवर्सिटी इन इंदौर, जो कि एक लैंडमार्क बन गया एजुकेशन में। आज आप पूरे एमपी में किसी से भी पूछेंगे, सेंट्रल इंडिया में किसी से पूछेंगे, जो क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन दी इट्स अनमैच्ड। जो हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिया, सब जो फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करी, उसका जो एक्रेडिटेशन लिया, ग्लोबल टाई अप्स करे, इट्स गॉन वेरी वेल।
SAGE holds its core values integral to the culture of learning and innovation. It's a place where students from diversified backgrounds and places come to learn and explore enthusiastically. The university encourages students to broaden their minds towards innovative ventures.
सेज यूनिवर्सिटी में हम एक स्टूडेंट को जब वो यहाँ एडमिशन लेता है तो एक बहुत अच्छा बेहतर इंसान बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। पढ़ाई तो सभी देते हैं, एजुकेशन में सभी लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन हम चाह रहे हैं कि उसे संस्कार के साथ, एक होलिस्टिक अप्रोच के साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्टूडेंट, बहुत ही अच्छा मानव इंसान बन के यहाँ से वो निकले। क्योंकि हमारी टैगलाइन ही है कि सेज यूनिवर्सिटी वेयर सक्सेस इज अ ट्रेडिशन। जो भी लड़का यहाँ आएगा वो हमेशा सक्सेस ही पाएगा, वो चाहे इन द फील्ड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो, चाहे एकेडमिक में हो, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स में हो, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड का वो जो सोचता हो। क्योंकि हमने यहाँ एक बहुत अच्छा कैंपस यहाँ पे डेवलप किया है। एक तो ये एरिया बहुत अच्छा है, हिल पे है, बड़ा खूबसूरत जगह है। यहाँ पे हमने करीब 30 एकर्स के कैंपस में एक बड़ी सारी बिल्डिंग्स बनाई हुई हैं। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्ल्ड क्लास है। इसमें जो भी स्टूडेंट आ रहा है उसे लग रहा है कि हाँ, यहाँ मुझे एक घर जैसा वातावरण मिल रहा है।
These endeavors have brought us several accolades at national and international platform. It includes Best University of the Year by ETV Group, Best Emerging University of Central India in Education Excellence Award by Z Media Group, Leading Private University of Central India and Singapore by BERG Icons Learning Award, and many more. It is a learning temple that not only helps you accomplish your dreams, but also let you drive your future, encourages you, makes you to bring in that instinct which will make your tomorrow the best. It is established by the legendary Sagar Group of Institutions of Central India. Currently, more than 10,000 students are getting quality education. The university is rearing professionals for making careers globally. It is amongst the best private universities and where a fusion of technology, innovation and creativity works effectively towards developing professional graduates for their significant roles in the society, professionally and globally. While technology forms a common core as an enabler across its academic programmers, we offer a broad range of programs encompassing areas such as applied sciences, agriculture, computing, technology and engineering, the programming in business, accounting, journalism and mass communication, banking, finance, law and humanities. The campus of SAGE, a place where your dreams are realized, your aspirations find wings to fly, and your career gets the most needed extra edge.
We at SAGE University will be focusing on 3 major areas. One is the outcome-based education, second is the skill and competency, and third will be the entrepreneurship, whether the students will be given a training to be a leader rather than they should be following the leader. It is the students who will be creating the jobs rather than seeking jobs. That should be the focus in our engineering system, in our all the curricula that we are designing, keeping that outcome in mind. These days, the pedagogy is extremely important. We are also trying to introduce a lot of online courses. We are trying to introduce the NPTEL online courses into our engineering and other curricula, so that the students are really focused as to what they are learning, and the learning is the only way forward. And these days, with the change of paradigm shift in the higher education, this is the faculty who are willing to take these challenges to make the students really the valued in the society, and also as a competent professionals in that area. Our faculty, they have taken up the challenges of training the students, not only just from the academic perspectives, but also from the entrepreneurship, research and other domain where they can groom themselves and take the future challenges.
An auditorium is a place which must be open to the masses to let the most encouraging ideas float all over. The university has 2 auditoriums and 1 seminar hall in the campus. It has a beautiful and more spacious stage fitted with attractive lighting systems and fireproof curtains. Cafeteria is not only a place to eat and drink, but it has become the style education in which the students share information derived by their knowledge and experiences. The fully equipped laboratories for analog and digital electronics, communication engineering, power system, robotics, PLC controls, pneumatics and automation, mechanical equipment, mechanical workshop, as well as materials and testing laboratories. The new generation is the digital generation, where one needs to be digital with the ideas, thought process and execution. IT Lab is all providing the latest technology to succeed in every way. Our library is a gateway to a comprehensive collection of books, journals, periodicals, student projects and other related publications to support learning and research for all students and staff. Students can access online digital libraries from leading providers such as Proudest, Athens, Emerald, ACM and Current Law journals. The university provides transport facilities to the students and the staff from university campus to across the city, as well as for cities situated nearby to the campus. The timing is scheduled in such a way that all the buses reach and leave the college campus on time. Creativity is being derived by the ambience, which is full of artistic ideas, and Design Drawing Studio is a key to creative success. The Design and Drawing Studio is designed to provide students with utmost comfort and convenience while working on their design and drawing related subjects. The studios are well equipped with Mac computers and Wacom drawing tablets and are open to students upon booking. At Sage, the accommodation provided is more than just a roof, convenience store and 24-hour security coverage. The students have options for single rooms, twin sharing or shared apartments. At Sage, we make education an integral blend of radiant and remarkable you. Here, each moment gives you hope to shine bright and reach higher.
Sage University, Rau Bypass Road, Indore.